Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute since I've done like tutorial. Actually, I've been better. I'm trying to be more consistent with my YouTube channel. But today we're going to be playing with the Glaminatrix Cosmetics and Monolith collab called Crown Legacy. I'm so stoked. I haven't touched it yet. I just did pictures of it. It is so beautiful. You know I love greens. You know I love purple. It is gorgeous. So, my mic so you could hear me. I'm gonna just dip right in. I'm gonna dip right in. I haven't, like I said, I haven't swatched it. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I kind of want to do like a sexy halo eye, maybe. I'll use the shade Throne because I'm wearing this like purple in honor of the palette. So I'm gonna just go in with that shade. And I am going to pop that onto the inner first, I think. Like I said, I'm just winging it. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So we're just doing that first. And then I have to decide on a lid shade. I have no idea what I'm going to do, but we will. We will do it. What have you guys been up to? I'm so mad. Guys, I filmed that like cat tutorial. I don't know if you've seen my Instagram. I filmed the cat tutorial. It was like that neon rainbowy cat, and I accidentally deleted the footage. So I couldn't even, I was gonna do like a voiceover and just like a speed through, like a fast forwarding of the whole thing. It took me like an hour, a little under an hour to do, and it's gone. So pretty bummed about that, but we have more spooky things coming soon. Do you guys know what you are gonna be for Halloween? If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Oh, I'm loving this shade. I'm going to go through and like blend further in the crease. I'm just trying to build up that color to be what I want it to be. This matte is performing beautifully as well. You guys know how hard shimmers are to me. This is so pretty. All right, I'm going to go in with this Refer 15. And I'm going to take a little bit of that same shade on there and just start blending this crease out. I'm surprised I didn't instantly go for the green, but this is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. You see how well that's blending out? I always lift this one eyebrow, so I always need to end up going higher on this side than on the other side. Okay, I have my color switch here, so I'm just wiping it off, and then I'm going to go in with the shade Noble right here. It's like a light purple. And I'm going to go around the edges and just further diffuse that out and blend that in to my skin color. I think I'm just going to do one look today. I'm going to use some more colors, but if you want to see more looks with this palette after, you guys got to let me know. I'm kind of alternating between the two shades here, doing a blend. I think that looks really good. Actually, let me go a little deeper on this side. Yep. That is beautiful. Okay, under my eye now, I'm going to clean off that first brush. That was the first one I used to pack on, was the Refer 28, by the way. And I think I want to go in with the shade Legacy right here. And I want to put that under my eyes here, and I'm taking it all the way across. And then I'm cleaning that off, and I'm going to go back in with the shade Throne, which is that dark purple, and kind of wrap it underneath to meet that Legacy shade so that it like melts in together and makes sense, like kind of like diffuses together. I'm going to clean off my Singe brush. I'm using the Singe EO2. And what am I doing? I'm going to go in with the shade Air, which is like this beautiful, muted, sagey kind of color. And I'm going to diffuse the green under my eyes. And wrap that around here as well and kind of softly blend and blow it out. Blow it out at the ends there because you don't really want to muddy up the purple. I'm loving how this is looking though. I think I want to go in with one of the more like, yeah, maybe the shade Empire or Scepter could be really nice, which is one of these two. This one or this one on the lid. I think, am I leaning towards, let me swatch it. Ooh. So we have these two here. So this one is Empire, which is really beautiful. And then this one is Scepter right at the top. I think I'm going to go in with Empire on the lid. So I'm going to clean off that same Refer 28. I'm going to go into Empire. And I'm going to press that into the center of the lid. Trying to keep that really in the center and then softly diffusing that out. This palette is so pretty. I'm so excited to play with this one. I don't know if you guys heard, but Unearthly, we are going to be shipping this out to the US customers for Glaminatrix, so I'm super excited to do that for you guys. Shout out to Kayla for letting me have one. I was like, can I have one? I didn't even look at it. I didn't look at it yet. I hadn't opened the box. You know, I didn't want to open anything without her permission. So I'm going back into the shade Throne and I'm just going to deepen the crease here and build up that color there. I feel like I definitely also want to put a shade on my inner corner. Which one do I want to do? I think I'll go in with Gilded, which is this beautiful like champagne-y shade right here. Yeah, that's perfect. I love it. Look how, did you see how easy that was? I mean, you did technically see it. Let me grab an eyeliner so I could just put something in my waterline. That's not eyeliner. Here we go. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner. Oh my god, I need to sharpen it. Hold, please. Be right back. Just kidding. I'm going to use the Kaleidos eyeliner. I don't know which one this is. I cannot read that. Sea Sparkle, I think it says. I don't need to sharpen it, so this is the winner today. All right, I'm going to put this in my waterline. I think it's going to tie in nice with like the blue-green type of shade at the bottom. Add a little something special. And then I think I want to do, I don't know if I want to do that actually. I'm going to do the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerized Mascara, and then I'm going to be right back. I'm also going to put on these Kiss Lashes in, what is this? The New Natural Effortless Look. These are what I got. So I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, lashes are on, but they're still drying. I'm going to put on some lip liner. I think I'm going to do Unearthly Foggy for this look. And then I'm going to put on Withered Kiss from the Gothic Romance. So easy. Also, I put down that eyeliner from Urban Decay and now I can't find it. I have only the cap and I must have put it away in the stack with no cap on. So I have to go digging. That is a pretty combo. That is a really pretty combo. Okay, I'm gonna go find the setting spray because I'm not prepared today. And I'll be right back. I'm back. I have the One Size Powder Melt. I love this stuff. This is definitely a new favorite for me. Not even new. I've had it since July, I think. I'm up to here now. And then I'm going to put on some fragrance. Today it's Bergamot by Rag & Bone. So good. I'm going to caffeinate. And now we're going to swatch. We're going to swatch this beauty. I'm going to take some sips. Tell me your Starbucks order down below. Anyways. All right, let's get into the palette. Okay, the first shade here is Majesty. Now, this looks like a really cool toned taupey gray type of shade. Hold on, I should have wiped off the 2 shimmers I put on my hand. And we could go from there. I could always do an eye swatch video of this one for you guys too. Okay, this is the shade here. It is really pale. On the skin, it's coming off more gray. Do you see that? Next is Scepter. And Scepter is this beautiful green champagne kind of shade there. Ooh, look at that shine. Next we have Air, which is that sagey green shade. Swatch that for you. So pretty. Then we have Regal, which is a gorgeous like rose gold type of shade. Then we have Throne, which I used for most of this look, which is this beautiful like plum shade. Then we have Gilded, which is another one I used for this look. It's like a champagne tone. Oops, I think I mixed it with the color underneath. Hold on. Let me grab this napkin. Because it looks more pink. I'm gonna use a different finger this time. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's got like this ever so soft pink champagne shade. It's really pretty. Then we have Sovereign. This one is gorgeous. Now that is a beautiful green. And we have Empire, which I also used on the lid. This is a gorgeous green that has like a yellow, and it has yellow golden flecks, and it looks like some pink flecks as well. Next we have Noble, which is that light pink shade I used to blend out the shade Throne. It's like a lavendery pink. It's really pretty. Are you guys seeing that on camera? There it is. Opulent. I'm excited to do another look with the last shade in this palette and the shimmer. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch that for you. This one is like a fuchsia purple that flips bronzy and has purple, pink, and blue flecks in it. Next, we have the shade Jewel. And this one is like a beautiful transition brown shade. I'm going to put it right under Opulent, right there. Then we have Dynasty, which this is my kind of shade. It is giving mermaid in all the best ways. It flips to like a bronzy purple. It's like a teal, blue, green, purple kind of shade. I'll pop that right here. That is so pretty. Okay, we have the shade Legacy, which I used on my lower lash line. It's like a teal blue green type of shade. Excuse me, choking over here on sparkles. Okay, we have the shade Crown. So the shade Crown is like a navy base. It does have a flip to it. It's like purple. Purple. It's got purple flecks, pink, blue, but it's a really rich, deep shade. And it does have this, like, I don't know how to describe it, if it's like a brown flip, but it does have a flip to it. And then we have the shade Rain, which I'm really excited to use next time. It is like a cerulean, deep cerulean blue. And you could see that right here. Let me try to zoom you guys in so you could see. So you could see these swatches there. And maybe I could use my phone to show off some flips. I don't know if it's going to pick up. I have way too many lights on right now, so. But they're so beautiful. It is such a beautiful palette, and I think the muted tones are like really nice if you're trying to dip into color. Hold on, let me zoom out. You're way too close to me. The muted tones are really nice if you're trying to like dip into color, and then you could still create these really beautiful jewel toned looks, which I'm sure is like also the theming behind it. It's like a mix of muted and jewel tones, and I think that that's really beautiful and special. I'm really liking this one a lot. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will pop the details for launch of this product down below so that you could shop. All the US customers know that Unearthly is going to be fulfilling those for Glaminatrix. So I think Kayla said, Kayla made a post about not adding other items to your order if you're a US based customer, because this is the only product that we're going to be shipping out for them. And that's it. That's it. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed it, please subscribe. I love you guys. I'll see you next time.